Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a classic children's book written by Roald Dahl. The story follows a young boy named Charlie Bucket, who lives with his impoverished family in a small house near a mysterious chocolate factory owned by the eccentric Willy Wonka. The story begins with the announcement that Willy Wonka has hidden 5 golden tickets in his chocolate bars. The children who find these tickets will win a tour of the factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Charlie, who is a kind-hearted and honest boy, dreams of finding one of the golden tickets and visiting the factory. One by one, 4 other children who find the golden tickets are introduced. They are spoilt, selfish, and greedy, and their behavior often lands them in trouble. The first ticket is found by Augustus Gloop, a gluttonous boy who falls into a chocolate river and is sucked up by a pipe. The second ticket is found by Veruca Salt, a spoiled girl who is thrown out of the factory after demanding that her father buy her a trained squirrel. The third ticket is found by Violet Beauregard, a gum-chewing girl who is turned into a giant blueberry. The fourth ticket is found by Mike TV, a boy obsessed with television who is shrunk down to a tiny size by Wonka's television technology. On the day of the tour, the children and the guardians are welcomed to the factory, where they witness the wonders of the chocolate-making process. Each room in the factory is a marvel of technology and whimsy, with delicious and wondrous treats that are beyond the children's wildest dreams. However, as the tour progresses, the children's greed and misbehavior lead to their downfall. Charlie is the only child left standing at the end of the tour, proving that honesty and kindness are virtues that are rewarded. Willy Wonka reveals that he had been searching for an heir to the factory, and he chooses Charlie as the most deserving child to inherit it. Charlie and his family are offered a new life and a bright future, with the promise that Charlie will continue to run the factory with kindness and generosity. The story of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a timeless tale of good versus evil, and the triumph of honesty and kindness over greed and selfishness. It has captivated generations of children with its colorful characters, magical world, and moral lessons, and it continues to inspire kindness and compassion in its readers.